guys, today I want to show you my drone collection. I mostly have pure drones, but and then I have some RCs and some boats and some helicopters. So here we go now. The first one I have is this one. This is the JRC. See how it's scratched right there? Because I crashed it a lot of times. That's the remote. That's the screen. It has a camera. Just put this thing up. And then this one. What the hell? Oh, the battery's not in. Yep, battery's not in. Wow. Come on, man. Okay, then that's that one. Then we have this one. This is a, oh shoot, wrong way. An Explorer. This one flies cool. This one comes with the also screen, but this one's attached. Okay, that's number 2. Now we have a mini one. This one, I think it works. Alright, give me a second. Yeah, that one turns on. There's the remote. Does it have batteries? Nope. Okay, so that one's number 3. Yeah, number 3. Then we have this. Let me turn that off. Finally. Alright, so this one, you know how it has 2 right here, but it doesn't have 2 right here. This is a stabilizer. These 2 wings, they broke off. And yeah, but the back one, still good. This one actually does turn on. Let me just turn on. Line top, right there. Okay, so that's number 1, 2, 4. This one's number 5. This one, it doesn't work, but we're gonna go take it back and get another one. So we might be seeing a new collection to the team. This is a boat. I can't find the remote. I was too lazy. And this one's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little skit right now. Let's see if you guys like it.
Get low when the whistle go.